guys, so this is our pool time, exactly 7 p.m. Yes, so dahil summer pa the time guys, ang 7 p.m. ganun pa, yun pa ang paglabas ng sunset. O diba, very relaxing while nakaano kami sa sunset. Busy dyan si Cutie Pie guys sa pagkuha sa akin using our Insta 360. Diba ang ganda ng kuha, at saka grabe ang linaw. To do this one. But the one I don't know, Cutie Pie. Ano pa siya sila? This one I don't know the trick what to do.
No. This much only.
So guys, yan ang ano namin, view for the night. It's around 8 o'clock UAE time. Actually, the pool is closed during 10 o'clock. Yes. So, nandito kami sa pool bar area. Yeah. Actually guys, mayroon silang 6 swimming pool. Yes. Not included with the bedside. O diba, ang dami nilang swimming pool. Grabe, na-enjoy talaga kami dyan ni Cutie Pie. Yan, busy si Cutie Pie na kumukuha sa aming Insta 360. Kasi guys, nakalimutan namin tong gamitin sa Maldives. Actually, nadala namin to nagamit pa nga namin to sa aming Sri Lanka trip. Kaso nakalimutan namin sa Maldives. Gawa ng grabe talaga guys ang Maldives. Hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. Parang exciting ka palagi. Yes. Yung basta, kaya tuloy nakalimutan na lang namin yung Insta 360 namin na gamitin. Diba? Mas maganda sana doon kasi diba, ang ganda ng pool, ang ganda ng beach. Tapos dito pa namin naalala yung dumating na kami. Tsaka ko nakita yung Insta 360 namin na hindi ko pala nadala. Oh my God, ang ganda sana doon sa beach. O diba? Pero actually, dito maganda din naman Ito naman ang Little Santorini of UAE. Very solid din yung UAE trip namin guys, as in. Diba? Enjoy na enjoy kami ni Cutie Pie. Basta iba din yung feelings. Actually, marami naman magaganda dito guys Pero kung isipin mo, ang per night dito sa hotel, grabe din ang mahal. So, mas maganda din pag pupunta ka sa ibang lugar, marami ka ding mamit na ibang tao. Yeah, it's around 10 p.m. here. Yeah, grabe ang init sa labas. Just po. See, cleaning in the swimming pool. Yeah, almost na yung sunglasses ko. Oh my gosh. The area guys, going to the breakfast. Good morning here in Banan Beach. Coffee, tea, and fresh juice. The fresh juice is here, baby. Hi. Yeah, here also. There was another here, right? Water sports. Ah, see, this is the water sports, baby, that you want. Jet ski normal. The jet ski normal, what do you mean by that? You are the one who driving or the other one? Oh. See, we have also bicycle, guys. Same in the Maldives. See, look at this. This is like, oh my god. Only in the video. Yeah, here also. Oh my god. This nice here too. Woo! Yeah, they have 3 pools. This not for the kids anyway. This is for what's this? Come here now, we eat now. Where's the breakfast? Ah, this is banana. Why banana bread? Where we open this is the I don't know. Why are you asking me what is in here? Restaurant look alike, guys. Maybe actually it's okay in the app. Excuse me. It's okay in the app? Yeah, we can go in the app. Yeah, see? Even there were only 2 there. Huh? Yeah. Only 1 for me. So this is the breakfast, guys. Oh. So this is their breakfast. Yeah, they have toasted. Titipay, can you make me toasted bread, baby? Baby, can you make me toasted bread? Toast. Kami kakain ng breakfast sa taas. Oh, yan. Oh my God. That is nice. In the beach. You see, they have also easy. See? Oh, this is here with. Oh my God, see guys, this is a location for the breakfast. Ito yung breakfast, guys. Malamig na itong bread ko sa easy. My bread will getting cold for the easy. Breakfast, guys. With this view, I like it. This video, guys, finally uwi na po kami sa Abu Dhabi. Back to reality na naman, work na naman para may pang travel. So we enjoy a lot here, guys. Grabe, very nice experience, unique experience, yung nakatira kayo sa parang kubo, yes, at saka nasa dagat din, of course, parang nasa Maldives pa din kami. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you in our next trip from the studio. Guys, this is the information, yeah, for the baggy. We will go check out na. And thank you. This is the reception. This one, pizza here allowed. See, this is the car that we are riding. See you, Abu Dhabi.